Hi, welcome to Eggy's channel. Like today, I have with me Converse CDG. I've been rocking basic Converse for a long time, and I said to myself, I want to get something a little bit upscale for this Christmas. Instead of rocking like the basic Converse, there's nothing wrong with the basic Converse, but I've been rocking them for a long time, and I just wanted to treat myself for this Christmas. Let's get into it. Bang, this shoes right here is beautiful. It looks very nice in person. Well built, well put together. Okay, so these shoes, like, it's very simple. I like these shoes. Like, these shoes is very nice, built well. It's very solid. Like, the look of these shoes is just unique and different from the regular Converses. The strap at the back, the heart. I love the stitching, the double stitching on the upper. It's very nice. It looks good. It makes the shoes very unique. CDG Converse branding the insoles. The bottom just regular Converse bottoms, but the colors are a little bit darker. It's like brown bottoms. Beautiful shoes. Can't go wrong with these shoes. The shoes is very comfortable. It's very snug. You have to go one size down because it fit a little bit big, so you have to go one size down. Yeah, can't go wrong with these shoes, man. It's beautiful, it's comfortable.